Deep in Poland lies the mysterious Crooked Forest, where around 400 pine trees curve sharply near their base before rising straight into the sky. These strange bends all face the same direction, but no one knows exactly why. Some believe people shaped them long ago to make furniture or ship parts, while others think heavy snow or an unknown natural force caused it. Even after decades, the real reason remains unsolved. Why do only these trees grow like this? And what secret does this forest still hide? Follow for more planet mysteries.